Hello my beautiful people, welcome back into my life. Yes you guys, in today's video I will be unboxing my 13-inch MacBook Air. I am clapping because I have been using my HP here and this thing is pretty old. I got this back when my 10-year-old was an arm baby, and this thing is old and it is giving me trouble and I should have been upgraded. But yes, we will be unboxing this thingy here. I got it Thursday and I ordered it Tuesday, and I was so happy because I was like, okay, y'all on it with the shipping. Y'all is on it with the shipping. So we can get started right now. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. We don't want it to fall. Not want it to fall. If Nova was in here, she would definitely be loving that box because she liked to crawl in boxes and stuff like that. Trying to make sure my camera is still recording, but I hope I'm getting, let me see, let's bring it down right here. Perfect. And when y'all say perfect, and y'all say perfect. Okay, yeah, I think we're a little too excited. Oh, look at it, y'all. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, so cute. And I did order this off Apple, the Apple website. Yes! And I got the gold one. I did get the gold one. Oh, I can't wait. I've been watching some YouTube videos where people pull this little thing and it's so satisfying. So let's do it. Uh-oh. First we gotta take it out. Uh-oh. Oh, look at her. It's so satisfying. Well, that part was satisfying. Don't try to judge me. I'm just a little excited right now. Oh my gosh. So cute. I did order a case for this. It hadn't made it yet. I ordered it from Amazon. I will show you guys a picture up here on the screen somewhere. But yes, you guys, I got the gold one. It's so cute. And it matches my little vibe a little bit. Yeah, somewhat. But it does look, and they were saying when they opened it up, they was like, it looks rose, like the rose gold, pink, rose gold, whatever it is. Rose gold. Wait a minute. Let me do it again. Oh, it didn't make the sound. It just made a sound. Ah! Oh. Oh. Girl. And it's telling me hello. Look, HP, I don't mean no harm, but you gotta get off my desk, boo. It's saying hello. Bonjour. Look at that. Yeah, you gotta go. I mean, I'll still use this to do like my little crafty stuff because I have the software on here.
Mine called me.
I did not. I am doing my video.
It's you said Riley.
Okay, bye-bye. Ouch. Hola. Ooh. This is so cute, and it's tiny, but it fits me. Definitely fits me. Girl. Okay. Okay, let's get a little closer.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Oh. Girl, I'm tripping. Ooh, we tripping. not get ready, but I'm going to set up this computer right now, and we're going to play with it a little bit. Okay. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Hey Siri, play some music. It's telling me what to say. We in there like booty her. Okay. Okay, you guys, I do want to download the big clock that I see on these MacBooks or whatever. And uh-oh, wrong thing. I don't know where I'm going. You see it? Mac version download. Okay. Oh, there we go. So y'all can see my niece just texted me. Y'all, I did see on a video where they press this button here. Oh, this button here to show the emojis. Uh-oh, sorry. Okay, and also in the box it was the little charger cable. Okay, and that's black. We'll throw it on the floor for right now. But yes, the charger cable and a little block. Okay, y'all, I do want to change my background on here. This center. No, girl. It's the screen. Okay. Let's do like, yeah, I know I gotta come with my pink. Ooh, this kind of match like this matched the color of the laptop. So we'll leave it there. You see you, girl. You see you, girl. I'll probably change this again, so just playing around with it. So yeah, this is pretty much all that I wanted to show you guys because I was just unboxing. This is my first time ever purchasing a MacBook, so I can't tell you a whole lot about it. You know, I pretty much know my way around a computer. I work in the office every day, in front of a screen every day, all day. So yeah. And I also want to say, if you're new here, you know, welcome, if I haven't already said that. And I hope you stick around for more of my content. And as always, you guys, like, leave your sweet comments, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.